So let's just see how we can delete the last node of a doubly linked list. So here we have our doubly linked list with the node 100, 200 and 300. So let's now see how we can delete the last node of the doubly linked list. So here we have the doubly linked list with 3 nodes 100, 200 and 300. So here we're going to write the function to delete the last node of the doubly linked list. So the function will return struct node type pointer, and we're going to call the function delete last node. Now the function will take struct node type pointer head. Now inside the function, first of all we have to check if the list is empty or not. If the list is empty, that means there are no other nodes, then this head pointer will point to null. So here we can check that if the head is pointing to null, that means the list is empty. So in that case we don't have to perform the deletion, we can print list is empty and then we can just simply return null. So that is the first case. So now we have to check if the list has only one node. Now suppose the list has only one node. So that means the head node's next pointer and previous pointer will point to null. So here we can check that if the head node's next pointer is pointing to null, so that means there is only one node. So in that case we can just free the memory and then we can return null. So here we're gonna free the memory that is allocated by the head node and we can return null. Now in the third case, suppose we have multiple nodes and we need to delete the last node. So in that case we need one temporary pointer which will initially point to the head, and then we have to traverse the list and we have to reach to the last node. So here we're going to create the struct node type pointer temp which will initially point to the head node. So now we have to traverse to the last node. So we're going to use the while loop. So while the temporary pointer's next node is not equal null, so as long as the temporary pointer's next node is not null, we're gonna continue this loop and we're gonna shift the temporary pointer to the next node. So this temporary pointer will initially point to this head. In every iteration of the loop, this pointer will be shifted to the next node until it reaches to the last node. So when it reaches the last node, then we have to perform the deletion. So before deleting this node, we have to set null to the next pointer of this previous node. So here we're gonna do that. So temporary pointers previous node's next pointer should point to null. So temporary pointers previous node's next pointer we are setting null, and now we can free the memory allocated by this last node. So here we can free the memory that is allocated by the last node which is pointed by this temporary pointer. So that means we have successfully deleted the last node of the linked list, and now we can return the new head after the deletion. So you can see currently we have 3 nodes in the linked list. Now we can delete the last node. So here we can call delete last node and we're gonna pass the head pointer. Now this function will delete the last node and it will return the new head pointer. So let's now print the list again. So you can see initially we had 3 nodes. After the deletion of the last node, you can see we are left with 2 nodes. So the last node 300 is removed from the doubly linked list. So this is the way we can delete the last node from the doubly linked list. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.